So now we're looking at section 4.2, which discusses degrees and radians. And in this video, we're going to look at two examples. One in which we're going to take a degree written with a decimal and turn it into degrees, minutes, and seconds. And then the other example, we're going to do the reverse. So first of all, we need to talk about a degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Really tiny partial fractions of a degree. And then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So when we have 329.125 degrees, we have 329 full degrees. And then we have to figure out what this 0.125 consists of. So let's take 0.125 degrees and multiply it by our conversion factor of 60 minutes per 1 degree, and 0.125 times 60. I can get my calculator out. So 0.125 times 60 would be 7.5. So notice now we have 7 full minutes. And how we're going to write minutes is with a single apostrophe or a hash mark. So, but then we still have this half of a degree left over, or half of a minute left over. So we need to convert that into seconds, and you might see immediately that that's a half a minute would be 30 seconds. But just to go through the process, 0.5 minutes times 60 seconds over 1 minute. Minutes cross out, and we get 30 seconds. And we're going to write seconds simply with 2 hash marks. And that's how we would write 329.125 degrees in DMS form. Now we have the second example where we're given a DMS form and we have to write it in decimal degree form. So now we have 35 degrees point something. We know that 12 minutes is going to be, using our conversion factor, we have 60 minutes in 1 degree. So instead of multiplying, now we're just going to do the reverse and divide. So 12 divided by 60 is going to be 1/5 or 0.2. So we have 0.2 degrees. And then finally, we have our 7 seconds. And we could instantly convert that degrees, knowing that there would be 3,600 seconds in a degree, or we can do 2 conversions where we have, first we have 1 minute in 60 seconds, and then we have 1 degree in 60 minutes. So notice you could either divide by 60 twice, or you could have divided by 3,600 once. So 7 divided by 60 divided by 60 again is 0.0019. And they told us to round to the nearest thousandth, so I'm just going to say 0.002 degrees. So now if I add all these together, I have 35 plus 0.2 plus 0.002. So I would have 35.202 once I add those 3 things together, degrees. So now go ahead and test your knowledge and see if you can write 141.275 degrees in DMS form.